Pushes for environmental justice are happening across the country. Here in Ingham County, leaders are working to map out a greener future.
We know that it's an urgent threat, regardless of whether we have 10 more years or 15 more years or 20 more years to stop climate change before we pass the point of no return.
Last week, the Ingham County Board of Commissioners approved a resolution proposed by Chris Truback, declaring a climate emergency for the county. An Environmental Affairs Commission has also been reactivated.
What we're going to do now is sort of repurpose it and appoint experts and community members to help us tackle climate justice in a meaningful way.
For Elaine Fishoff, a member of the Lansing Environmental Action Team, the county's commitment to climate justice is a long time coming. She drafted a similar resolution last summer that the Board of Commissioners passed but didn't move forward with.
The federal government can make policy, they can provide money, but it's actually up to local residents and governmental units to take action. It has to start at the local level.
Truback says Ingham County aims to reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions from its facilities and operations by 2040. A commitment to center vulnerable populations, like communities of color and people with health issues who are more likely to be impacted by climate change, is also a crucial part of the Commission's action plan. Truback says an energy audit to assess the county's current level of environmental crisis is a necessary first step. The audit will cost the county somewhere in the low six figures. But Truback says the financial burden should be secondary to the consequences of inaction.
The question that I don't hear as often is, what will the cost be if we don't do anything about these threats? Which I think is probably the larger number and the more threatening number.
Reporting in Mason, your neighborhood reporter, Keisha Young, Fox 47 News.